Alright, so what's good? We gonna rate underground rappers, and if I don't really listen to them well, I'ma listen to their song and then base that off the rating. Just one song though. So let's get it. Let's see the list though. I know Hard Rock, 4 or 5, heard of him. Osama, listen to him. Net, listen. Jace, listen to him. Baby Kia, listen to him, not too much. Rich, same. What's his name? Swap. I listen. I don't know. I heard of him. BK. Alright. Baby Tron. Damn, Baby Tron Underground, I guess. But yeah, this list is pretty cool. We gonna see what I rate these. So let's hard off. So we're gonna do A. Should I do S tier? Yeah, we gonna do S. Alright, bet. Hard Rock. I got a couple of his songs on my playlist. He decent. I don't have a lot though, so I'm gonna give him a C plus. Hard Rock C plus. 4 or 5. I have not listened. I have not heard of him. So we gonna listen. See what he talking about. 4 or 5. We're gonna do one of his best. Whatever I see show up. Is this the right dude? Make sure I got it right. It's 4 or 5, ain't it? Is this bro? I think this is bro. Let's listen to a good song. His most popular song.
My bitch got bitches too. My bitch got bitches too. My bitch got My bitch got riches too. She richer than you do. She with an attitude. Bitch, nobody asked you. It's the Zaza. I don't talk phone tight and know when to go back.
He decent.
Racks, money count fast. This is throwback. This is like a snowbag. I swim through a whole pack. This is like the ocean.
My Dana getting put on.
This one play the violin, she stylish. I'm about to build a castle and get a kayak. Been out into you, she never in the mood. Oh, you did a bad job, don't want that money, so go and take the back block, back up. This solve answers, only could be my guy. Red eye, wanna see a bankroll. Gotta go and pray. What did she do to you? She ran a couple moves, yeah, that's my bitch. My bitch got bitches too. My bitch got bitches too. My bitch got My bitch got riches too.
He decent.
She with an attitude. Bitch, nobody asked you. It's the Zaza.
I don't know about no top tier though. Definitely not no top tier.
Racks, money count fast. This is throwback. This is like a snowbag. I swim through a whole pack. This is like the ocean. I'll dive in.
Visual was hard though. Alright, bet. 4 or 5. I'm gonna give him a D. D plus. Osama. Lil O. Samson. Damn. We're gonna get Lil O. We're gonna give Lil O an A plus. We're gonna give Lil O an A plus. Alright, Net. I got a love and hate relationship with Net, bro. Maybe I just need to get put on, bro. But I do have one song in my playlist, I'm not gonna lie, of Net. And that motherfucker bang, I forgot what it's called. Fuck. Let me check. Let me check. But yeah, bro, Net. I got a love-hate relationship with Net, bro. I don't know. My ears ain't that cook enough. My ears ain't that cook enough, man. Oh yes, we don't like you. Net. I got Net in my playlist. We don't like you. I'm gonna give Net a C plus. Don't hate. I know I'm gonna get hate. I know that's y'all man's, bro, but he a C plus, bro. Just off of that song. Nah, really a C just off of that song, bro. The song I like, and that's just one out of a million. All right, Jace, Underground Final Boss, A plus, A plus. Jace hard. Baby Kia, crazy ass. I heard some crazy shit from him, but nah, Baby Kia be spazzing. I don't think he's B tier though. C plus. Rich, I get Rich a B. I get Rich a B. He got hits. It's just recently, it just been dry. All right, this guy I do not know. How you say his name? Swappa. Let's see. Hopefully I'm saying his name right, bro. Definitely not, but we gonna see. Be crazy.
Purdy nigga dying. Dying. Bitch got one more time for she.
Damn, he made this. I know this song.
Like a dog, fuck around by her. Run to my legs tired. Run up the bag higher.
Oh yeah.
Roll another one.
He hard. He hard.
Roll another one up. Tryna get higher. Told the bitch, open up your legs, I open fire. I don't trust no dot.
This might be B. This might be B.
No bite. Fuck where you found
B
it.
tier. I think I heard this song. Probably TikTok or something, bro.
Hi, baby, role model, real nigga, fuck bitches up, nigga, don't listen.
But this motherfucker hard.
Twins, chill, nigga, paper getting ass, nigga, fuck them. Yeah.
Yeah, this definitely getting added to the
Pop
playlist.
out and laugh at them, brides up in Atlanta, puffing on this designer pack, not from China. Ran this shit up a couple times, fuck co-signing. Yeah. Purdy nigga dying. Who dying? Bitch got one more time for she expires. Bitch built like a dog, fuck around by her. Run to my legs tired. Run up the bag higher. Roll another one, tryna get higher. Roll another one up, tryna get higher. Told the bitch, open up your legs, I open fire. I don't trust no dot, all these hoes wired. I don't trust no bite, fuck where you
Nah, this
found
B.
them.
This B tier. He B tier. He B tier. But I gotta listen to more music, so I'm probably gonna give him a C plus, a C plus. I can't give him a B. I can't really give him a B because I only listen to one song. You know what I mean?
Let's go.
So I'm gonna give him a C. This song fire though. All right. Swappa. I'm gonna get Swappa in the C plus. BK. B. She fine. Babytron. Bro, recently, Babytron. As of right now, Babytron, should I do? Cause he's dang near like mainstream now. I'm gonna give Babytron A plus. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna give Babytron A plus. Homicide Gang B plus. Dom, he got one hit. He got one C. We gotta give him S tier, man. Isaiah, bro. We gotta give Isaiah S tier, bro. We got to. Molly, it's trash. Glock. Glock's definitely. I'll give the Glock A tier. Glock A tier. One, I got a song. I got some music. I haven't listened to a lot, but I'll give him C plus. C fine. Vaughn. I get Vaughn. This gonna be hard. He's A or he could be. He has potential A tier, but it's just I don't listen to his music that much, but he hard, so I'm gonna give him a B plus. I'm gonna give Von B actually. I'm gonna give Von B. Nino Pay, shit's fire, A plus. Benji, it's fire, A plus. Flux, I mean, ain't he like a UK nigga? Or I'm tweaking. Yeah, bro. I heard a song. Do he have a song with Sexy Red? If it's that song, D. Alright, 2. I hear some music of his. Hold up, let's listen to another one. White boy, he be lit though. 2 hollers. Hold up. Here we go. 1 shit. Niggas ain't trying to get copyrighted, but yeah, bro, he going up. I heard about him, so I'm gonna give him. And that song D, so I'm gonna give 2 a B. Who is that? Yahapo? Let's see. I haven't heard a song. How you spell that again? Am I tweaking? Oh, it's an H. I think I have though, bro. I think I heard of him. I just don't know what the fuck I heard. Shit. Oh yeah, I know this.
I'm fucking with this bitch gotta be perfect. Money walked in this bitch with sticks, they nervous. They said that boy lay up, he walking going chump. Bitch, back, swear eat. I got 2 bad bitches in the sprat, he gon' some slurpee. Me ain't got turned
Nah, Lil Tony hard. But yeah, I heard this man. I'm gonna give him a C plus. Young Fazo, he's garbage. Ian, you gotta add him to the. Do you add him to the A plus or A? You gotta give Ian the A plus. I'm not gonna lie. Dirtball. I've been fucking with Dirtball lately, so I'm gonna give him a B plus. OT7 hard, B plus. Free My Swag. I do not know who Free My Swag is. Is that the name? Who is this? What the fuck?
You gonna play the song?
Be crazy.
I'm in your block, like, where the fuck you at? Yeah, I'm skinny, but my pockets fucking fat. Bitch, I'm geeking in the trap. Disrespect, I take your hat. You said that you got some money, bitch. Tell me where it's at.
This is decent.
On my hill, I don't lack. They like RNG, smell so fucking fine, that's a fact. Your bitch tryna fuck. But I left her in the trunk. It's all, I don't give a fuck. Man, I thought I let this bitch spot. This shit was just lust. Got a Glock inside my pants, fuck. Gotta readjust. Pass the blunt to my little mans, that's a fucking boy I trust.
He's decent. Yeah, this shit was garbage. It was decent. It was alright though, but not, yeah. Nah, D. SSG Kobe, bro. Damn, he fell off, but he's still a classic. Like, you know what I mean? Like, still in the playlist. I'm gonna give him an A. Jades, don't he like beat on bitches and shit? Off of them allegations, you know what I'm saying? We can't be having it. F. Alright, Dex. I think I heard Dev. Is this the same? Is this the new man? I think I heard this shit. I don't think I picked a good song.
Made a lot of money, made her killing.
Pick another one.
Fuck exotic bras, I be in her drawers, we got foreign cars, got 200 on his paw.
He decent, bro. He decent. I'm gonna give him. I haven't listened. I need to tap in with him, but off them 2 songs, give him a C. Actually, I can't even do that. I gotta give him a D plus, just cause I haven't heard of him that much. You know what I mean? I need to tap in. If I need to tap in, let me know. Lil Tony. A. Lil Tony A. Summers. Sheesh. A plus. Summers A plus. Slime Get 'em. Haven't heard of him. Haven't heard of him, so I gotta give him, put him in a D. If I gotta tap in, let me know. Brandon Jones. He get a C plus. C plus. Slumps. I don't listen to him that much. Me personally, I don't have him in my playlist, but he's decent. Like, I heard some music of him. You know what I mean? So I give him a D plus. Autumn. What Jay said. Nah, I'm playing. But Autumn, he's fire. He's fire. I fuck with Autumn. A. Then that means Summers. Yeah, we gonna keep Autumn at A. Shay. He's decent. Am I saying his name wrong? I don't know, but fuck it. He's decent though. He's decent. C plus. C plus. I have no clue who this kid is. I have no clue. I can't even read that name. Let's say Swayer. Rugrat. He been going crazy. I can't put him up. Like, putting him up here is like actually insane. I'm not gonna lie. B tier. This guy, he decent. I'm not gonna lie. Little Jew. He's decent. I'm gonna give him C. Sofago. Damn. I will put him in. Sofago we gonna do as a 2025, bro. Sofago, bro. I would had you here if it was me 4 years ago. 4 years ago, Sofago, you feel me? S tier. I don't know, man. Hey, tell Sofago, come on, drop some shit, man. Come on. But I'm giving Sofago a C. I can't, he's not going, I'll give him a C plus. It's potential there, and I don't know what happened, bro. V's, we gotta get V's A tier. Xavier, I seen motherfuckers hated on Zay, bro. Xavier so based is hard. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna give Zay, damn. I might put him B plus. I will play Xavier over all these B rappers, so it's B plus. Can. Respectfully, I'm gonna give him respectfully. B tier. Pretty fun. I haven't heard of him. I heard the Under the Radar shit. It was decent. He sound like, is he the one that sound like Sofago? I don't know. Don't get on my ass, but I don't know. I haven't heard him that much. Just because I haven't heard him that much, I'm giving him D plus. But I heard the On the Radar, the Underground Radar, not On the Radar, Underground Cypher shit, and that shit was decent. D plus. Laser, give Laser A, man. All right, this the list. What y'all think? Isaiah S tier. We got Lil O A, Baby Tron A plus, Jace A plus, Nino Bay A plus, Benji A plus, Ian A plus, Summers A plus. That's valid. That's valid to me, bro. Like in A plus, I'm playing, like I'm not skipping none of their songs in my playlist. I'm not gonna lie. Same with A, Glock, Kobe, Lil Tony, Autumn, V's, Laser. Like, I'm not skipping that shit. Like, I'm not skipping none of they songs. Oh, bro. Then we got B plus, Homicide Gang, Dirtball, OT7, Zay, Xavier. Yeah, bro. B plus is like, I don't have that many, like, you know what I'm saying? I got hella songs, but like, I might skip one if it's like, you feel me? Now B, it's a hit or miss, like, you know what I'm saying? How I'm feeling. Then the rest is like, I just need to listen more of them, you feel me? The C pluses and down, like Hard Rock, he decent. I only got a few songs of like the C plus. Like C plus, I got a few of the music. So Fago, I had to, you feel me? You got off my playlist, my boy. Like, it's been some years, like, I don't know what's the label, some, like, you need to, you feel me? Net at C, I know people gonna be on my ass, but like, bro, I just need to get put on. Y'all put me on some, you feel me, some good net. And I'm telling you, if it's hard, it's gonna be hard. Like, my ears are already cooked. Nothing, you feel me? Nothing that trash could, you feel me? Nothing could be that trash. And everybody else just shit. I'm not gonna lie. No. I'm not gonna say Pretty, Fun, and Dev. I'm not gonna say the D pluses are shit. Let's say that. But D to F, the rest are shit. I'm not gonna lie. That's just me though. The rest of shit, y'all can put me on, but yeah, that shit's ass. So yeah, this my underground tier list, man. Let me know.